Today is Thursday, and of course that means we're back in nutrition educator Lynn Matava's kitchen today. This morning, Lynn shows us a different way that you can enjoy grapes. Check it out.
This time of year is known for being full of heavy foods and holiday treats. This is why I thought it would be fun to put a festive spin on fruits and veggies. We don't want to forget about eating healthy during this time. Today's shining star is a very common fruit many people already have in their fridge. It's grapes. And so first I want to show you kind of how to shop for grapes. Now the great thing about this recipe is that you could just have these in the fridge already and pull them out, but you still have to get them home. And a lot of times you go into the store and there's all of these loose grapes in the bottom of a bag, and I don't ever buy those. I pick up the grapes and I give them a shake, and if there's a ton of loose grapes in the bottom of the bag, I either remove them or I move these grapes into a produce bag. They'll use the code to ring you up, but that way you end up with fresh grapes that are going to last longer in the fridge. What we're going to do today is something that's a little bit unusual, a kind of different way to serve grapes. We are going to make some roasted grapes. So basically we're going to throw these grapes onto a pan. They've already been washed, and I've kind of cut them into sections. And you just pull these pieces into, sections. You could even snip these into smaller sections if you had some kitchen shears or a knife. For now, I'm just going to leave these as they are. And putting all these pieces in here, we are going to drizzle them with a little bit of vinegar. I'm using balsamic. I know this seems strange, but I'm telling you, this is so delicious. A little bit of olive oil. A little bit of an herb of your liking. I'm using thyme. You could use fresh, you could use the dried like I'm using here. I just think it makes a nice, gives a nice savoriness to this. And then just a little teeny pinch of salt. And all I'm going to do basically is kind of toss them in the marinade mix that we just made of the oil and vinegar, and throw these in a 350-degree oven for about 20 to 25 minutes, stirring maybe 2 times in the middle. Just kind of pull them out and turn them a little so that all the sides of the grapes get good and roasty. And this is not the prettiest tray you have here because I used all the ones that fell off to show you an example of what they would look like when they come out. But basically, when they come out of the oven, they have this great flavor. Before they come out of the oven, they make the house smell amazing. And they are something that you could use to put on a tray with some crackers, whole grain crackers and cheese. You could even make a flatbread with them and put them on flatbread with a little bit of cheese and stick that back in the oven, and it makes a really nice, savory, sweet sort of appetizer dish. You could use them as a sweet side. They'd go well with something like grilled or roasted chicken. And then the most important thing is that you're finding another way to sneak some fruits and veggies in. So whatever you end up doing with them, I hope it encourages you to get a little more festive with your fruit and veggies.